Today we are going to deploy vanillajs project, and for the host we will be using GitHub Pages, and of course we will go through again pushing your files to GitHub and using basic Git commands. So in the end we are going to deploy this live search filter website. In case you haven't seen the videos, they will appear somewhere up here. Let's get started with the project. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've seen my video about deploying a React app. This is gonna be very similar with a little bit of differences. First difference is we're not gonna build this project for production, so we're gonna skip the step number one. So immediately we will create a new GitHub repo. We will type here and create new GitHub repository. We will give it the name of live filter. Don't touch anything here and click create repository. Okay, our live filter repo is created. Okay, let's jump now to our code. This is my project here. I'm gonna open a new terminal, and of course if you prefer you can use your system terminal, Windows or Mac or whatever. I prefer to use integrated VS Code terminal here. Alrighty, so first I'm gonna initialize Git repository, so I will type git init and my empty Git repo is initialized. Next step is to stage our files for committing. So I will type git add and dot. And finally, we're gonna do a commit. So I will type git commit, and as a message, I will type first commit, just like this. Okay, now our files are committed. Now let's jump back to our GitHub repo. I will copy these 3 lines. First, we are gonna add remote origin. I hope you remember if you've seen my last video. Next, we're gonna branch to the main branch, like that. And finally, we're gonna do a push. We're gonna copy this line and paste it here. Alrighty. Now I will sign in with my browser. Okay. Now authentication succeeded, as you can see. And let me check. I hope, yeah, my files are being pushed. Okay, let's check now let's refresh our page. And as you can see, now I have all of the files from my project. I have my images folder, my business.js file, and index.html, script.js, and style.css. Alrighty, our files are now on GitHub. Now let's publish them with the GitHub pages. Alrighty, we're gonna go to the settings here, and then from the this left part we are gonna click pages. As you can see, GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal project. So as a source, we're gonna leave deploy from a branch, and here we are gonna select our main branch and our root folder. Okay, click save. Okay, now GitHub Pages source is saved. As you can see, in case we have a custom domain, here it is where we will put the custom domains. And just like that, our uh, website should be now online. Let's get back to our live filter. Let's refresh this page. And if we look down here, as you can see, we have our website deployed to GitHub Pages. It usually takes up to 5 minutes for the website to be deployed. Okay, I'm back after only 1 minute has passed. So let's check the deployments now. And as you can see, our website should be at this address. Let me test it out. And here it is. Our website is now online. Let's try to filter the Gotham City companies. Here it is, only one company. And if I put something that doesn't exist, I get a message that my company doesn't exist. Awesome. So my website is right now at this address. As always, I will put the link in the description below so you can access this address. And that would be it, guys. Of course, you can change this name, as I told you. But that would be it for this very quick tutorial. I hope this was useful. GitHub Pages is super easy way to host your vanillajs and CSS projects. As always, it was good talking to you. Follow me on X now. You can get in touch with me, and we can change our thoughts. You can criticize my coding, and also you can praise my coding if you want. But as always, lots of love to all of you, and bye bye.